Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teri, and today I have live swatches of ILNP's Fall 2023 collection, their Fright Night collection to be specific. The Fright Night collection launches on Friday, October 6th. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already, and let's jump into the swatches. Bitten is a jelly shimmer, a blood red with red to gold iridescent flakes and holographic sparkle. So the more I use ILNP's brush, I just don't like it. I need them to switch to their top coat and base coat brush because it's just so much better. But this is a really nice jelly polish. It is not completely opaque in 2 coats. But I did leave it at 2 because you can really, it just looks more bloody that way. I don't know, but if you want it to be completely opaque, you might want to go for the 3rd coat. But I think 2 looks really cool for Halloween, and you can really see those flakes inside the polish. Frankie is actually a metallic polish, but I did not use a magnet, so you can see what it looks like without the magnet. I don't like magnetic polishes. They don't work well for me, so apologize about that. But it is a monster green magnetic with holographic flakes. I think it looks really cool by itself without being magnetized. I did only do 2 coats. I would say this is a 2 to 3 coater depending on how you polish your nails. It was a really nice formula. No running or pulling or anything like that. So the next polish is called Abracadabra. This is a shimmer polish. Bewitching indigo with a blue to purple shimmer. This one, I don't know, the polish spread out very weird. Some spots it was like bald or patchy, I guess I should say, and then some spots were thick. So I didn't like the formula too much on this polish. You can see it looks kind of lumpy and uneven. But I like the final color. It's just the formula I wasn't a huge fan of. I think it's a little thick in my opinion. The next polish is called Carved. Carved is a shimmer. It is a jack-o'-lantern orange loaded with fiery orange yellow sparkle and shimmer. I really like these kind of polishes for fall and Halloween. Just a really pretty bright orange. I think the formula on this one was pretty good. It was completely opaque in 2 coats. I really like how the orangey yellow flakes kind of pop off the dark orange background. Beautiful polish, no running or pulling. Since it's a shimmer, it won't be too bad to remove. Next is Shapeshifter. So this is a chocolatey brown with copper flakes and orange sparkle and holographic flakes. So again, this one is more of like a jelly type nail polish. Not my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of jellies. I also think this one, some spots are darker than others. Like I just couldn't apply it very evenly. I don't know if it's user error or it's this brush or whatever, but it was kind of thick and the coloring was just uneven to me. And last but not least is Flicker. Flicker is a shimmer polish. Flickering light with gray to orange to yellow iridescent shimmer. I really like this one. I don't think it looks great on me, but I just like the final look of it. It's very pretty polish, great formula, no running or pulling. And I was able to get this completely opaque in only 2 coats. So again, if you like this collection, it releases Friday, October 6th, 2023. Be sure to check out ILNP's website. I'll leave the information below. Let me know which nail polish was your favorite in this collection, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.